in the sport industry, you have a fantastic, beautiful footballs. Even the World Cup, they use your football, of course. You have a nice leather, you have a lot of textiles. And I know that your Prime Minister is a sport lover, and he's a sport champ. You have to see how could we grow the business. Why don't we have a brand that can serve our area and your area? Why don't we have some factories to make beautiful shoes? I think we can do a lot of things in that area. I have been doing this for some times and buying from Far East and all. I'm having my own brand. I would love to do this brand and produce it in Pakistan. Why don't we do this? So this is the discussion that we had with the trading of the embassy here, and we would like to take this further into higher level to make a business for both businessmen in Pakistan and Saudi Arabia to develop that kind of business.